Hello and welcome to this episode of Microchips, and on the bench today we have this brand new radio for 2024 which is a President Washington. So we're going to have a look at a couple of the features and we'll do an on-air test as well. But before we start, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, join the Facebook group, join Patreon, buy me a coffee, have a look at my website microchips.net where all my boards are. But before we start, let's have a word about today's video sponsor, PCBWay. So PCBWay is a China Shenzhen based PCB manufacturer and printed circuit board assembler. PCBWay are currently enjoying their 10th anniversary with some great promotions on their website. So you can get coupons for your next order, you can get an exclusive badge and an exclusive coupon, you can put yourself on the map with other PCBWayers, take part in their charity badge sale where proceeds go to good causes, and you can win some fantastic prizes in their lucky draw. So get an instant quote today by visiting pcbway.com or click on the link below and check them out. Yep, thank you PCBWay for sponsoring this video, it's very appreciated. And now on to the radio. So we've opened up the box and Knights have kindly given us a frequency chart along with the radio, and we have the obligatory President sticker, and we have manuals in different languages, and of course this radio is menu driven, so there's lots and lots of options. And what else do we have in the box? Let's have a look. So in this side compartment we have the microphone, as to be expected, some screws, some rubbers for the bracket, power lead. I've read some reports that this power lead isn't hefty enough for when it's drawing 16 amps, but we'll see. And a bracket, of course. And let's get the radio out and have a look at this President Washington. So it has been put into export mode by Knights already, so we're not going to take it apart and do that, but we will have to take it apart when we fit the fans eventually, because unfortunately at the time of recording the fans weren't available. So we have a power lead, and it is quite hefty. Don't know how good it'll do on let's say 16 amp draw. Nice microphone, up and down buttons on it, nice springy lead, which is always nice. And there's our radio. I know it looks like a little bit like the George, I think it is, but yeah, quite like the look of it. So let's fire it up, see what happens. So it's already on 555. Must have been from when Knights was testing it. And first thing, we have this annoying bleep. So we're going to have to get rid of that, because there's no way I'm having a bleep. So to get rid of this bleep we need to go into the menu system. So we push and hold the main button, we scroll across to key bleep, and we turn that off and we get rid of that annoying key bleep. And of course there's other options in this menu system which we're not going to go into yet. And there's our key bleep gone, which is quite annoying, but at least you can switch it off. So first impressions, looking good. So that's our RF power by transmitting, pushing the menu button. Let's have a look at the RF power. Oh my god, that's definitely healthy. I've not got the meter in PEP mode, but as you can see it's definitely fruity. It's definitely doing what it should be doing. So we'll have a look at the modes. And we put it onto FM, push and hold band, that puts us onto UK 40 and UK 40 only. And if we want to get back to the other nice frequencies, press and hold the band and it puts us back into export mode, which is basically 24.7 megahertz all the way up to 30 megahertz. So quite a nice range on this radio. So let's have a play with the display colour. Just getting used to the menu system. So you select the one you want and then you change it to the correct colour you want. So we'll just have this this one for the moment. I know it looks blue on the camera, but it's actually a very, very light blue. And you can see we have a dimmer as well, so we'll make it a little bit more darker. And we've got a Roger bleep as well, so we'll have a look at the Roger bleeps as well, see what it comes with. I don't think the bleep's programmable on this, but there seems to be 6 different bleeps. So let's have a look, see whether this is actually on frequency. So I've got my frequency counter with a GPS reference on it, so it should be pretty accurate. And this is 27555. So it's pretty close. It's pretty close. So that's not too bad. Let's have a look, bang on 30 megahertz. I am in a dummy load, so don't worry about transmitting out of band. All this is done on a dummy load. So yeah, pretty close to 30. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Let's have a look at the bottom end, 24.7 or 24.72. And again, it's pretty close. So, yeah, happy with that. And last of all, let's have a look at channel 1 midband, 26965. And yep, all good there. Yep, happy with it being on frequency. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty close. It's pretty close. I've actually had a report from a local, and they said it sounds very good. Now just having a look at power spread across the bands. So I've set it to round about 10 watts. I'm just having a look at the power spread. So I've gone from 24.7 all the way up to 30. So the power spread seems quite even. So yeah, good. I've not cranked it up any higher than that. As you can see, if you crank it up high, it does go quite fruity. But anyway, all that is left now is an on-air test. So, off to the hill we go. 26 Echo Kilo 168. 26 Echo Kilo 168.
Thank you for your call. 57 in this moment. My name is Marco.
Good evening there, Marco. Good evening, Marco. The name this side is Graham. Golf Romeo Alpha Hotel Alpha Mike, located on a hill in Manchester, Northwest United Kingdom. QSL. Negative 168 168 QSL. Yeah, QSL my friend, it's 26 Echo Kilo, number 1, number 6, number 8. That's number 1, number 6, number 8, QSL. Good 73, good DX, QSL.
Oh, thank you. Now I've got the better position. Is it 168? 168?
Yeah, QSL, my friend, QSL. The name is Graham, Golf Romeo, Alpha Hotel, Alpha Mike, located in Manchester, United Kingdom, QSL. Okay, my friend, 7-3 to you, good DX, 7-3, good DX from 26 Echo Kilo 168.
Yeah, no problem at all, mate. You're loud and proud sounding. Lovely job with that.
Yep, not too bad yourself. I think I've just had Brazil.
What, on this frequency?
No, I was on 445, I think it was, with QS Wide down there. He was having trouble hearing me, but eventually he managed to get me. And I'm sure he said his call sign was 3 Echo Kilo and then something. His name started with D.
Right, it's not 3 Echo Kilo 3A0, is it?
I don't know, mate. It was really hard to pick out. But I've got it on video. I'll have a listen to it later on, see if I can pick out his call sign. But it was definitely 3.
Roger. What radio's that? The Washington?
It certainly is.
You know what, mate? From a distance, it sounds absolutely immense, that.
Good, that's what we like to hear.
Really does. In fact, if you were to tell me you're on an HF radio, I'd believe you.
I don't think there's any, like, speech compressor on it or anything. Well, not that I've found, anyway. I think it's just, you know, basic box standard.
Yeah, Roger. Well, this 590 SG is not exactly the most generous of meters, and you're sort of like plus 30 over 9 here.
I should be. I'm on top of the hill, you know, I'm probably blasting you out. And you're not doing too bad yourself there.
Roger, I'm sure I just heard thunder then.
Yeah, mate, it's close. I can hear it crackling all over the show.
Roger, I'm going to get this unplugged in a bit. But yeah, it's sounding, mate, honestly. It's, I go so far as to say it's the best I've ever heard you, actually.
Nice. I'm actually quite like it. It's actually quite nice. It's quite a nice set.
Yeah, it does. It sounds really, really well. Not bad at all. Yeah, 30 over 9, nice Q5. Like I said, if you were to tell me you're on an HF rig, I'd say, yeah, it sounds well.
That's what we like to hear, mate. That's what we like to hear.
Yeah, sounding really well. Not bad at all. And for the benefit of the viewers, like, comment and subscribe. You know, it makes sense.
You know, just do it. Click that thumbs up button.
Okay, Graham. All the best, my mate. Sending beautiful 7-3.
Cheers, Damo. Thanks for the report, mate. 7-3. Good evening, yeah?
Yeah, you too, mate. Drive safely, 7-3. Bye-bye.
Cheers. So now we've had some nice contacts. Good report from my friend Damo. What do we think of the radio? Absolutely fantastic. Price, yeah, okay, it's expensive, but hey ho. But yeah, all in all, very, very happy with it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, join the Facebook group, join Patreon, buy me a coffee, have a look at my website. Thanks to PCB Way for sponsoring the video, and we'll see you in the next video.